Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Here are 200 everyday English sentences with simple answers covering greetings, daily routines, feelings and common requests. Perfect for beginners to practice basic conversation and build confidence in daily interactions. Let's begin. How are you? I'm fine. Or you can say I'm good. What is your name? My name is Parul. Nice to meet you. You too. How's your day? It's going well. Can I help you? Yes, please. Or you can say no thanks. What are you doing? Just relaxing. Or you can say working on something. What's going on? Not much. Or you can say just the usual. Excuse me. Yes. What is it? I'm sorry. That's all right. Or you can say no worries. Thank you. You're welcome. Or you can say my pleasure. Where are you from? I'm from India. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Or you can say a bit. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? What time is it? It's 9 p.m. Are you busy? A little. Or you can say not really. I wake up at 7 a.m. Okay, good start. I drink coffee in the morning. Me too. Or you can say I prefer tea. I take the bus to work. How long is your commute? I work, study all day. Sounds busy. I eat lunch around noon. What do you usually have? I go to the gym in the evening. That's healthy. I read a book before bed. Which one? I go to sleep by 11 p.m. Do you sleep well? Subscribe to our channel. I like to watch TV. What show do you like? I cook dinner myself. Yummy. I help with chores. Which ones? I go for a walk. Where do you walk? I plan my day. Smart idea. I'm trying to be healthy. That's great. I check my phone often. Who doesn't? I'm happy. That's wonderful. I'm sad. What happened? I'm tired. Get some rest. I'm bored. Let's do something fun. I'm excited. About what? I'm angry. What's wrong? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Let's eat, or you can say, let's drink. I'm feeling good. Glad to hear it. I'm not feeling well. Oh no, sorry to hear that. I'm stressed. Take a break. I'm confused. Let me explain. I'm proud of you. Thank you. I'm worried. About what? I'm curious. Ask away. I'm ready. Let's go. Can you help me? Yes, of course. How was your weekend? It was good, relaxing. What are you up to? Not much, just relaxing. Can I help you? Yes, please. Excuse me. Yes, I'm sorry. That's all right. Or you can say, no worries. Thank you. You're welcome. What's going on? Nothing much. Or you can say, everything is fine. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. What are you doing? Just reading. Anything else? No, that's all. Stop kidding. I'm serious. Do you like me? No, I am just your friend. Don't worry. I'm here. Please keep quiet. Okay, sorry. How dare you? I didn't mean to. Can you repeat that? Sure, I said. What an idea. I know, right? Mind your business. Sorry, won't happen again. How are you? I'm good. You? I'm fine, thanks. What did you do today? I went to the park. It was nice. Cool. I stayed home. I watched a movie. What movie? A comedy? It was funny. Nice. See you soon. Yes, bye. आई होप गाइज आपको ये वीडियो काफ़ी अच्छी लगी हो, तो चलिए जितना हो सके आप इस वीडियो को शेयर करें और वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आपसे कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना हो। मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में।